Hey guys, my little cuties, patooties. These are the foster kittens. Look, their eyes are open and moving around. Oh my goodness. Look at this one here. Look how cute they are. Look at him. Look at him. So cute. They just got done feeding. So they're a little kind of milk drunk. But they're doing so good, guys. I just thought I'd give a little update on the foster kittens. They're doing so good. I'm so proud of them. Like I said, we got these two named Peaches and Little Moo Moo. These two we do not have a name for yet. So if you have any idea for names for these two little ones, leave in the comments below your suggestions for those names. So, this is the update for the little foster kittens. Those little kitty beans. So, don't forget to hit that like button, smash it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See y'all in the next video. Smooches and hugs. Bye. Bye, guys.